So let us see how. So create a tuple here. Tup, simply you write tup is equal. I told you that tup is what? Some values it has. Suppose 15, comma 25, 15.28. Okay, no issue. And this is one more number. This is one. So now this is tuple. I told you that. How do you know that tuple? Print bracket. Okay, type tup. Okay, now run this one. So it is a tuple. Understand? So I told you that tuple either that can be all the values can be put in the brackets, otherwise without the brackets. Okay. Now it is a tuple. Now whether I can this iterable object tuple, can be extended with this, Vasu. Extend means these values can be list values. Here only list to list. We have extended list to list. This is a list. But whether it is possible to extend the values of tup iterable objects like set, dictionary? Yeah. So now see how to extend. Vasu dot method, same. If you keep the dot operator, you will get all that methods. How many methods? These are insert, index, count, copy. These are all methods. Okay. Extend method. Now within the bracket you pass the name of that tuple. Now this is a tuple. Okay, mention here tuple. Okay, now you will not get anything until you will not request for any printout. So now request for print for amended list of Vasu. So that now you will get that list with the values. So these are the values of int list and 15.28, 45, 78. These values are tuple values. So tuple values are added with the Vasu list. So it is possible. Okay. So tuple is added now. So what about that? Whether set can be added with a list? So let us see. Set, iterable object, set. These are all iterable objects. So create a set to add with list. Okay. So set create a set. Simply you write set 1. Okay, this is the variable which is holding. Set means flower braces. So 45, 87, anything you can keep. So string, you keep string. Okay, Ramesh, Suresh is a string. Okay, this is a set. Now if you want to know what really it is a set, print, use type function here, type function, and you pass the variable name set1. Whenever you run this, this is a set. Okay, what means set1 is a set1 is a variable. It is holding these values. By these flower braces, Python interpreter understood that it is a set. Okay, so set is a class. Now here we have extended tuple values to a list. Here we will extend the set values to a list. See, simply Vasu dot extend bracket, simply you pass the set name. Okay, after that try to get a printout statement, print Vasu. Now you will get the updated list. You will get the, so now that set values, this is set values 45, 78 up to this. Okay, Suresh 45, 87. Okay, these values are added at the end of the, because these values are values of tuple. This is our tuple. Okay, up to 70. After that, values are added at the end of the list, but try to understand what happened. Our string added first, after that integers. Okay, so now your set added. So whatever that iterable, one more iterable object is what? Dictionary. So create a dictionary here, and then simply you create a variable dict. Dict is, you can keep anything x, y, z. So dictionary will be in flower braces, but initially I told you that set and dictionary both will be in flower braces, but difference is that dictionary will having pair of key pair values. So here every student, suppose create a student list. Vasu is a student list. This Vasu having this is a key and it has a value. Value is what? 45. This is ID number. One more, take one more student name, Rahul. Rahul is a student name. This is a key and 74. So it means what, dictionary consists of key. One key will be there and the key will be paired with a value. So key, this is called key pair, key value pair. Key is key and it is a value. Now it is a pair. So set and dictionary will be, that is the difference. Dictionary always have key value pairs, but both set and dictionary will be declared with the flower braces. The difference is that dictionary have key value pairs. Okay, now this dictionary can be, these values can be extended with the list. So let us see. You simply write Vasu dot extend. Extend is a method. Okay, in bracket use the name of that dictionary, dict. Okay, means that dictionary values, they will be extended with Vasu list. Now you run this code, but we are not seeing any amendment list. Why? You have not requested for print statement. Print Vasu. Okay, now amend, you will get the amended list. See what happened? What happened? Only the keys, only the keys, not the values, are extended. What are the keys? Vasu is a key, Rahul is a key. So only the keys, not the values 45, 74, they have extended. Only the keys extended with the list. Okay. So now after that, how to remove method. How to use remove method. Remove method used to remove values from list. Okay. Now suppose Vasu is a list. Dot use remove method. This is the remove method. Now within the method, I told you brackets. Now you pass any value. Suppose if you use string Vasu. Okay. So now, so whenever you print the Vasu list, that Vasu string will be removed. So now you run this code. So now Vasu, where is that Vasu? This Vasu, now there is no any Vasu. New list is created. This is the new list without Vasu. Okay, but at this end Vasu is here. So here duplicacy is there. Vasu and Vasu. So the first Vasu will be removed. Okay, by method, remove method. If